Hello all, hope you all doing good. We have seen phenomenal and best cricketers with huge fan base all over the world. But now let's look into most loved cricketers with zero haters. DJ Bravo, former captain of West Indies cricket team. Bravo is one of the most loved cricketer and the entertainer on and off the cricket field. Joss Butler is also known as Junior ABD due to his 360-degree cricket shots. Butler regarded as one of the best wicketkeeper batsmen in the world. Andrew Russell. He became the second player to take a hat-trick and score a century in the same 2020 match. He is often regarded as one of the most powerful hitters in the world. Ajinkya Rahane. He is one of the most loved, egoless cricketer in the world and often regarded as the best team player. He is the first batsman to hit 6 fours in an over in IPL against RCB. Lasith Malinga is also known as Yorker specialist. He sets a record of the only bowler to take 2 World Cup hat-tricks. Malinga is one of the most loved cricketer with least haters. Suresh Raina is widely regarded as one of the best fielders in the world. He is also known as Mr. IPL. Raina is one of the most loved egoless cricketer in the world. Brendan McCullum, the former New Zealand cricketer, is one of the most dangerous attacking batsmen in the world. He sets a world record of fastest Test century of all time. Mike Hussey is a former Australian player who played all formats of the game. He is popularly known as Mr. Cricket. Zaheer Khan is a former Indian cricketer who played all formats of the game. He was the second most successful Indian pace bowler in Test cricket. He is one of the most loved Indian cricketer in the world. ABD. Due to his explosive batting and 360-degree shots, got him huge popularity all over the world. Undoubtedly, he is one of the most loved cricketer in the world with zero haters. So that's all guys. Please do subscribe and click on notification icon for more videos. Thank you.